Gen Exhaust, this is Bob. Yeah. Oh, you were draining the oil out of your suitcase generator and you spilled oil all over the inside of it. Yeah, I've seen it happen. Yeah, oh yeah, Troy used to make a mess of that every time. But we fixed him up. We got a solution for you. Hang on, let's FaceTime. There's a number 72 in here. So we got 3 sizes for you. The 19 millimeter, the 18 millimeter, and the 30 millimeter. Oh, okay, yeah. So that's the yellow one here. And, oh, you don't know how they work? We'll demonstrate it for you. Are you there? Okay. Troy is going to demonstrate today how to use the GenExhaust Oil Drain Tube for suitcase generators. As you can see here, we've got a suitcase generator with a GenExhaust magnetic oil dipstick in it. Troy's going to remove the dipstick. He's going to set that aside and install the oil drain tube. The purpose of the oil drain tube is to relocate where the oil drains from the generator. As you can see here, it moves the oil away from the generator and the generator enclosure so that the oil does not drain back into the enclosure of the generator. You can see Troy uses a block to put behind there for convenience. Once the oil is drained from the generator, the oil drain tube can also be used as an extension for oil filament or a oil funnel. Oil drain tubes from GenExhaust come in plain or anodized aluminum and in 3 different thread sizes. Please visit our website for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe.